Habil and Kabil, also spelled as Abel and Cain in some traditions, are figures from the religious texts of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. They are the sons of Adam and Eve, and their story is prominently featured in the book of Genesis in the Hebrew Bible and the Quran. Habil, Abel. Habil, known as Abel in the Bible, is portrayed as a righteous and pious man who was a shepherd. He offered a sacrifice to God from his flock, which was accepted because of his sincerity and righteousness. Kabil, Cain. Kabil, known as Cain in the Bible, is portrayed as the older brother of Habil. He was a farmer who offered produce as a sacrifice to God. However, his sacrifice was not accepted because of his insincerity and jealousy towards his brother. The story asterisk. According to the narrative, Kabil became envious of Habil due to God favoring Habil's sacrifice over his own. This envy turned into hatred, and eventually, Kabil killed Habil out of jealousy. Afterward, Kabil was filled with remorse, but was punished by God for his crime. Significance asterisk. The story of Habil and Kabil is often interpreted as illustrating themes of jealousy, righteousness, and the consequences of sin. It is also used to teach moral lessons about the importance of sincerity and obedience to God. In Islamic tradition asterisk. In Islam, the story of Habil and Kabil is similar to that in Judaism and Christianity, emphasizing the consequences of murder, repentance, and divine justice. Islamic tradition provides additional details about their lives and the aftermath of the murder. Overall, Habil and Kabil symbolize the eternal struggle between good and evil, and their story has been interpreted and retold in various forms across different cultures and religions. The story of Habil, Abel, and Kabil, Cain, is a significant narrative found in the religious texts of Judaism, Christianity, and Islam. Here's a detailed account based on the combined traditions. Background asterisk. Habil and Kabil were the sons of Adam, and Eve, Hawa/Eve. According to the Quranic narrative, after Adam and Eve were expelled from paradise for disobedience to God, they started their lives on earth. Adam was instructed by God on proper worship and provisions, including the concept of offering sacrifices. The sacrifices asterisk. Habil was a shepherd, while Kabil was a farmer. Both brothers were instructed to offer sacrifices to God as an expression of gratitude and worship. Habil chose the best of his flock and offered it sincerely to God, with faith and purity of heart. Kabil, on the other hand, offered the produce of his land, but not with the same sincerity and devotion as his brother. Acceptance of sacrifice asterisk. God accepted Habil's sacrifice because it was offered sincerely and with pure intentions. However, he did not accept Kabil's sacrifice due to his lack of sincerity and jealousy towards his brother. This rejection ignited feelings of envy and anger within Kabil. The murder asterisk. Fueled by jealousy and anger, Kabil plotted to kill his brother. In some traditions, it is said that Kabil argued with Habil and eventually struck him with a stone or another object, killing him. This act was the first murder in human history and a grave sin. Consequences asterisk. After killing Habil, Kabil became remorseful and regretful of his action. He was overwhelmed with guilt and shame. According to Islamic tradition, Kabil didn't know what to do with Habil's body after killing him, but Allah sent 2 crows to show him how to bury his brother. Divine judgment asterisk. God condemned Kabil for his crime and pronounced punishments upon him. In Islamic tradition, Kabil faced the consequences of his actions, which included being burdened with the guilt of murder, the loss of closeness to God, and being cursed to wander the earth forever. This serves as a warning against envy, disobedience, and the consequences of sin. Lessons and symbolism asterisk. The story of Habil and Kabil carries several moral lessons and symbolism across religions. It teaches about the consequences of envy, the importance of sincere worship, and the sanctity of human life. It also emphasizes repentance and seeking forgiveness from God for one's sins. Overall, the story of Habil and Kabil is a profound narrative that highlights fundamental aspects of human behavior, morality, and the relationship between mankind and the divine in various religious traditions.
If you like my video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Press bell icon for more Islamic video.